Answer is, I think so, it is 4. Give a round of applause to Ashok. The name of the magic is Read Your Mind. What is the name of the magic?
Read your mind.
What is the name of the magic?
Read your mind.
So think of any number from 1 to 100.
1 to 100. Yeah. You want, you can write it down also. Don't show to the magician.
Have everybody done?
Yes.
Now multiply by 2.
Divide by 2.
Multiply.
Multiply by 2. Sorry. Yeah.
Finished.
He's still good.
Whatever is your number, multiply it by 2. Double the number. Multiply by 2.
Now add 10.
Completed. Okay. Completed.
Have everyone completed?
Yes.
Now divide by 2. Have everybody completed?
No. Okay, finished.
Have everybody completed? Okay. Tell anyone's number.
100.
Your answer is 95.
102.
Your answer is 97.
No. 420.
4. I told only up to 100. Not above.
I was 600.
1 to 100. Yes. Anybody else? Harsha? Harsha, tell you total.
78.
Your answer is 73.
2. 82.
Correct?
Your answer is 82. So you thought it is 78. 77.
What's your
Your answer is 10.
50. Answer 50.
50. 45.
1. Wrong.
1.
You tell properly.
Minus 4.
60.
16.
16.
11.
2. 60.
60. 55.
2.
See? He gets wrong.
But you want to guess minus.
17.
Sure, I will make you.
2. 92.
Your answer is 87. What is your number, Ashok? Your answer is 7.
6.
Your answer is 1.
See? We just did no.
Oh, what is that?
So let's move on to another magic.
Hi.
So let's have Ashok on the stage.
Hi.
So the name of the magic is black and white cards magic. Okay, you have to take 30 cards from this deck and keep it. Yeah, 30 cards. If you want shuffle, you can do it. So arrange it, this here. Everything should be in one place. Now count how many black cards are here. And don't tell it to me. Count how many red cards are here. Now minus both the answers. For example, black card is 17 and the red card is 10. Minus both the answers. Have you done? Your answer is, I think so, it is 4. Give a round of applause to Ashok. So I would like to invite your name is? Yeah, Sarmishta, let's have. Take 3 cards and put it here and again I will repeat, and take this card and divide into 3 and everything should be in equal. For example, give me. You can put it here and you can do however you want, but it should be above 6 or 7 cards in a deck. You can do above 6 also, your wish. No. You can do it here only. Arrange this in a one. Now take 3 cards from this deck and put it here. Again take 3 cards from this deck and put it here. Count how many cards are here. Keep it here. Take how many cards are here in this card and place it here. Again I will repeat. How many cards are here?
5.
Take 5 cards here and put it here. And take any one card from here or here and place it here. Now count this card and don't tell it to me. I think your answer is 10. So give a round of applause to Sarmishta. How many of you love Max? Say I! So I invite Bonish. Push calculator. Calculator for Uncle.
Oh, okay. You want to volunteer?
Yeah. So do you want to become with more recent 11 table with 2-digit number? Okay, tell me any one number, any 2-digit number or 3-digit number.
30.
Your answer is 140.
Check.
Keep in check in calculator.
You all
Tell another one, 3-digit or 2-digit number. 312. 312.
Yes.
Your answer is 732.
748.
It's same. Okay, tell me another one digit.
748. 748.
748.
You check, Bhavesh. You check and keep so that. Got it? Is it right? Okay, I'll give you a number.
Tell me.
777.
777.
777 into 11. 777 into 11.
777 into 11. Okay.
It's free.
Yes, correct. 45.
Your answer is 0.49.
Correct.
It's correct. Very nice. Next speaker.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. I want you to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.